Hey everybody, been a while since I've done any updates, mainly because I've been flying, going to a lot of events, and as you've seen, the Panther has been flying fantastic until I went to go fly it yesterday and noticed that in my right wing panel here the flap was not moving very well and would not move per the receiver. So I come to find out that the servo was bad, and if you remember back in my, oh geez, I can't remember which update it was, but I remember saying that I was pretty skeptical about burying a servo in a wing. I've never done that before. So guess what I had to do? Damn! Had to cut into the wing and remove the servo. Even though I did make a removable tray for the servo to go in, you know, that's kind of a bummer. But, oh well, it's an easy fix. Just, yeah, wish I didn't have to do that. Oh well. Aha! There's something new. I've mentioned a third scale Stearman quite a few times in my past videos. And we see a few parts sitting here. There it is. I received this airplane almost 2 years ago. Pretty much completely destroyed. The engine quit in a bad spot right after takeoff, and the pilot wasn't able to put it down safely, and ended up destroying the airplane from about here forward. But the center section wasn't really damaged. Only one of the four wings had considerable damage. But it was given to me for free. You know, you can't pass up an offer like that. You know, no engine or anything, but so over the past almost 2 years, my dad's been rebuilding it, scratch built from the back of the rear canopy forward. It's all scratch built, all brand new. So, yeah. And today we're ready to fire it up for the first time. This is a very old 3W140. I mean, very old. This is probably 25, 26 years old. One of the early ones. I was going to run it last week, but when I was putting everything together, I noticed I had no spark. So, took care of that problem. Got an RCXL ignition. They're pretty nice ignitions, so it should work fine. With the RCXL, it bolts right into the pre-existing holes, so it should be all set to go. And it's nice that I can run a 2-cell LiPo or Lifey batteries, which I run, unregulated. Where the ignition, the stock 3W ignition, was very strict on 4.8 volts. So this is better in the long run. So we're going to fire it up today, see how it goes. Hopefully it fires right up and runs well, and we'll be able to get it up in the air soon. So let's go see if it'll run. Go ahead, stand over it. Hold on to the center. Keep an eye on the, see if I get fuel.
Yep, here it comes.
In yet?
Yep, you're in.
Oh yeah, that'll do.
darn fly.
Yep.
Collar up.
Just gotta cut the cowl and good to go. Cool.